Hey clouds, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm sharing with you my tips on growing long, healthy hair. Now I am going to give you guys a little spoiler. It is basically a Moerie review with tips. If you guys don't know what Moerie is, it is this awesome hair care line that has all natural, best-selling products. They are amazing and you can literally pronounce every single ingredient that's in their bottle. Paraben-free, fragrance-free, cruelty-free, silicone-free, SLS-free, and GMO-free. Yeah, this is the best kept secret for hair care and just growing strong, natural, long hair. And if you guys can tell, my hair has really grown a lot. And yeah, the secret is Moerie. So I am just going to do a quick little review for you. I did get a nice little box sent to me with all the products I need. 2 shampoos, 2 conditioners, this hair growth spray, which is so amazing. And let me just spray it in right now. It's just like good to spray whenever, wherever. It's perfect, and I definitely think it has helped in growing my hair. And it has a nice fresh citrus smell, kind of like clean lemon and coconut, but we'll go into all the ingredients in a second because they do use amazing natural ingredients. Here is the conditioner, which smells amazing. These all have the same smell, by the way. It's just like a nice clean smell. And then their hair mask is so amazing and just nice and simple and straight to the point. I did use it a couple times. Show you guys what it looks like. Yeah, I love it. Yeah, it doesn't really smell like anything. It just has like that subtle hints of clean and natural and like fresh and citrusy. This is an amazing little bundle that I got, and I do have a discount code, so definitely go check them out if you guys are interested. It definitely did help grow my hair and recover my hair for sure, because my split ends were off the chart. Like, they were insane, but now they're definitely tamed. So I really like that. It really just has made my hair come back to life, just because I haven't really gotten it done or gotten a trim in so long, so this has been a lifesaver.
Now, the most important tip is the whole routine of taking care of your hair, which I'm about to go over now. I am starting off with the shampoo, which I am obsessed with.
This just gives your hair a nice lightweight cleanse, wash, and it doesn't irritate your scalp. It's nice and hydrated and moisturized, but not overly moisturized where you can't do anything with your hair, because my hair is very picky. Let me throw that out there. My hair does not like every single product, but it did love this product.
So a really good tip for when you're working with any type of conditioner, you want to focus it on the ends of your hair, really targeting those split ends. And then what I like to do is I like to leave it in for about 2 minutes and just focus on the rest of my body, washing it off and then rinsing it out. I just like to leave it in for a couple minutes just because I want my hair to soak up all that good stuff the conditioner has. Now, we aren't done yet. I do let my hair dry off a little bit just so it's slightly damp. And then we're going to do a hair treatment. Now, I love this hair mask from Moerie, but you can use any hair mask, but I definitely recommend doing a hair mask at least once a month just for ultimate hair growth. The mask I'm using today is the Repairing Hair Mask, and it's super awesome. It has coconut oil and caffeine in it, and it has 5 vitamins, 77 minerals, and 18 amino acids. And I just like to focus starting off on the ends of my hair and then gently massaging it to the scalp of my hair. And also, so you guys know, all these products are for every single type of hair, every single day. They do have a lot of vitamins, minerals, amino acid, just like the mask does, and they are just so good for you. So now after 20 minutes, I am rinsing out the mask. Just nicely rinsing it out, getting all that good stuff out, and then drying it off.
Okay, so I like to wear my hair in braids just to grow it out, and it also like is a good tip for whenever you want to do your hair but you don't want to apply any heat, which if you want to grow your hair out, try to avoid heat as much as possible. So yeah, this is just a good little tip. And as you can see, my ponytail braid things are really long. They're like ending right here. So yeah, let's go ahead and undo them. You see how it just gives that nice and like wavy effect. It gives it off better when your hair is wet and you braid them. My hair was wet when I did this. So yeah, it's just like a good little no heat trick. You can also just like style it. So I love that. Looks all healthy and natural, hardly any tangles because I didn't even brush it out. That is all natural, wavy curls that is actually healthy and good for your hair. It helps it grow, just because like the pulling of the braid just like helps your hair grow thick. Love it. So yeah, let's go ahead and undo this one. Now, if you guys don't know how to braid your hair, let me know because I can definitely do a tutorial. I have done a Carly Bible hair braiding tutorial before, like 3 years ago, so I'll have to pull that up somewhere. But yeah, I could definitely do an updated hair braiding tutorial. Okay. Nice and thick. Good braids. Okay, so as you can see, my hair is super long. And really thick. It may not look thick, but it is thick. I really love these products, but don't just take my word for it. Go ahead and try for yourself because I'm telling you guys, they are a must-have. My hair never looked better, long and just flowing and luscious. So yeah, I want you guys to get on this hair game. So go try them out and let me know what you guys think. Also, let me know what you guys think of today's video in the comments down below. Please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. Bye, clouds. I love you. Get on this hair growth.